Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shanae Moniz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you smash that subscribe button so that you can come hang out with me. Today I am doing a wig review, you guys, and the wig I am reviewing today is the Melted Hairline in the style Catalina, and this Melted Hairline collection comes from Outre. It is a lace front wig. It does come with a pre-plucked hairline, a pre-attached wide elastic band, and baby hairs as well. And it is heat resistant up to 400 degrees. I did go ahead and I used my hot comb to kind of flatten it out a little bit, and I put it between the 5 and 6 on here just because it is a synthetic wig. But yeah, let's go ahead and pop this baby on to see exactly what she is giving. All right, you guys, so this is the wig plopped. And if you see me looking over here, my mirror is over here, so that's why I'm looking. But this is the wig just plopped on my head before I tack it down or blend the hairline in. This wig, it is pretty big. I have a pretty small head, and I'm just gonna cut the ear tabs just a little bit, just so it fits a little bit better to my head. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, cut these ear tabs down a little bit, tack it down. I am going to be using the Bold Hold liquid gold up underneath my lace, and then I go in, once I have it on underneath my lace, I go in and just spray one layer of the Eben Wonder Lace Bond spray.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah,
You guys, this is the final result of the unit. I did not pluck anything from the unit. I usually tend to not really pluck my synthetic units. I just pulled some hairs out for the baby hairs and brushed the rest of them back. I did put powder underneath the part, and yeah, the unit comes right below my breast on me, and it comes right above my butt in the back. I would say it is about 18 to 20 inches long. It is a light yaki texture, and it is, I would say, a medium density. I will have this unit linked down in the description box below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Again, this is Outre melted hairline in the style Catalina. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you guys can come hang out with me, and I'll see you guys in the next video.